Hello everyone, and welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we have something truly exceptional for you, an extensive guide to Sisal carpets. If you're looking to upgrade the aesthetics and comfort of your home, Sisal carpets are the perfect choice. We'll delve into everything there is to know about Sisal carpets, from their distinctive features and numerous benefits to exploring the different types available, the intricate installation process, and why you should seriously consider them over other carpet options. So, let's not waste more time and dive straight into this remarkable world of Sisal carpets. Features of Sisal carpets. Sisal carpets boast an impressive array of unique features, setting them apart from other flooring options. Natural material. Sisal carpets are crafted from the robust and resilient fibers of the agave plant, giving them innate strength and durability. Texture. Sisal's natural, textured appearance creates a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for contemporary and traditional. Eco-friendly. Being sourced from a renewable resource, Sisal carpets are an eco-conscious choice, appealing to environmentally conscious homeowners. Benefits of Sisal carpets. Now, let's explore the myriad benefits that Sisal carpets bring to your living space. Durability. Sisal carpets are incredibly durable and can easily endure heavy foot traffic, making them a wise long-term investment. Aesthetic appeal. The distinctive texture and organic appearance of Sisal bring a touch of rustic elegance to your home. Low maintenance. Cleaning and maintaining Sisal carpets is a breeze, thanks to their natural resistance to staining and soiling. Versatility. Sisal carpets harmonize beautifully with various interior design styles, from coastal and bohemian to minimalist and classic. Hypoallergenic. Their hypoallergenic nature ensures they remain a clean and healthy choice for your home. Aesthetic appeals. Sisal carpets come in an extensive range of colors and weave patterns, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home. From natural, earthy tones to dyed options that suit contemporary taste, Sisal's distinctive texture imparts warmth and character, enhancing the visual appeal of your living space. Types of Sisal carpets. When it comes to Sisal carpets, variety is the spice of life. Some popular types include herringbone, balcony, and more. Each type boasts a unique texture and appearance, allowing you to select the perfect one to complement your decor and preferences. Installation process. While Sisal carpet installation is best left to the professionals, it's essential to understand the process. Installation typically involves precise measuring, laying an appropriate underlay for added comfort, and securing the Sisal carpet. A professional installation guarantees not only longevity but also a flawless finish, ensuring your investment is well spent. Sisal vs other carpets. We should you opt? Well, Sisal carpets excel in their durability, natural beauty, and low maintenance, compared to synthetic carpets, which might offer a different level of sustainability and elegance. Sisal stands out as a fantastic choice. Reasons to install Sisal carpets. Let's sum up some compelling reasons to install Sisal carpets in your home. Eco-friendly choice. Sisal is sourced from a renewable resource. Durability. They are built to last, even in high-traffic areas. Aesthetic appeal. The natural texture and colors add warmth and character. Hypoallergenic. Great for those with allergies or sensitivities. Versatility in design. Sisal complements a wide range of interior styles. Sisal carpets offer an incredible combination of durability, elegance, and eco-friendliness, making them a top choice for homeowners looking to enhance their living spaces. Whether you're renovating your living room, office, or any other room, Sisal carpets can significantly impact you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Sisal carpets. If you found this video informative, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and guides. Until next time, take care and enjoy the luxurious comfort and beauty of your Sisal carpet.